Hello, fabulous friends. I know I haven't spoken with you in a while. We've moved. We're now in a beautiful, very sort of rural woods kind of area. And I'm driving for the first time in 30 years, and we're having a blast. We're in a house. It's a whole different thing. But I just wanted to bring to your attention I want to talk about prepared foods, because I know that so many of you are so busy, and especially with COVID, we're all in our houses just cooking like crazy, and we just need a break. And so I had been leaning on certain foods, like just sort of picking up something that was prepared at different stores. And I realized very quickly that one of the biggest differences is that a lot of big supermarket, even like we're talking like Whole Foods, Wegmans, even nicer places, will use either a genetically modified oil like a canola oil for their prepared food, or soybean oil, or even like safflower oil sometimes when they're doing prepared foods. And that's a problem, because it's not great in the body. And so I'm so grateful here in the town that we live in. There's a place called Pilates. It's like your Italian grandmother is cooking for you and sending you home with care packages. And I just really applaud them, because they use olive oil in everything. And that's what you want. So I just want to get you super aware that when you are buying prepared food, just to read the label. It's very tempting to get like a pesto even, and most of the pestos that you're buying, even if they're in a good store in the refrigerator section, just kind of look at the labels. Also, if you guys can just kind of chime in and just go in your fridge and see what prepared things you have and what oils they've used, because it's not great. It's not great for you. It's not great for your fertility. So what I'm recommending is try and make it yourself. And if you can't do that, then please try and find a place that uses good quality oil. And this is a shout out to Pilates here. I'm just so grateful for them. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions or any really great easy recipes you can put down below in the comments for all of your fellow advanced maternal goddesses. Love you guys. Bye.